Started from 1981 in Ningbo, China, Deli has grown itself from a tooling workshop into a world-class group company, with strong manufacturing background and branding strength in stationery, office machines, tools, office furniture and more industries. After more than 30 years development, we built up the sales network all over the world, with well-appreciated products. The construction of Deli Vietnam Factory was completed in May 2019. This is our long-term global manufacturing strategy, trying to offer more sourcing choices, optimize cost and stabilize supplier chain. Deli Vietnam is located in Bac Ninh Province, close to Hanoi, Hai Phong Seaport and Noi Bai International Airport. This is the largest stationery factory in Vietnam with 1,100,000 square feet, has started running in Q1 of 2020. The factory is now ready to produce stapler, punch, glue stick, corkboard, binder, PP files, etc. All injection machines are equipped with robotic arms, to provide high production capacity. Glue workshop has fully automatic lines, including assembling and filling process, ensure capacity and stable quality. Deli invests full automatic machines for board cutting, CNC nailing, assembling and packaging, to provide the best commercial and home boards. From the stamping, plastic injection, assembling line to final packing, all processes are managed in-house for stapler, punch, and remover. For file and folder workshop, the raw material is transferred by the automatic centralized feeding system. By using the full automatic lines, we are able to produce binder, folder products with higher capacity, competitive cost and reliable quality. Deli Vietnam keeps the high standard with experienced management from Deli, China. We serve our customers with 30 years quality management experiences. Deli Vietnam has already obtained the certifications from global partners and organizations. More than 800 Deli Vietnam staffs are contributing to provide more value to clients across the globe. As a new and important member of Deli Group, Deli Vietnam is your best mate. Deli, the best mate.